Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is yet another shopping video. So today we are going to Commercial Street and I'm gonna show you guys what all and exactly you will get over there. So we just reached Commercial Street. So this is the main entrance. So you can reach Commercial Street through your own vehicle or you can book a cab. You can even take metro. So when you enter Commercial Street, towards your left you can see tiny stores, and in that you will get shades, earrings, slippers and many other things for a cheaper price. So over here the starting price of shades are just rupees 100. So you have to bargain a lot over here. Tip number 1. Bargain as much as possible in Commercial Street. Until and unless you don't bargain, you will not get it in the reasonable price. So the price was very reasonable over here. He was charging 150 rupees for the shades. So I was bargaining a lot, so he gave it to me for 100 rupees. So all the shades over here are not for 100 rupees. It ranges from 200 to 250. And the location for Commercial Street is Shivaji Nagar, Taskar town. If you ask your cab driver or an auto person, they will easily drop you over here.
చూడు ఎంతది బాగానే అంత తీసుకోవచ్చులారా అయితే ఇంకోటి తీసుకో అది షేర్స్ చూడు అదే ఫోర్త్ కింద నుంచి బాటమ్ టు ఫోర్త్ అదే కింద దాని కిందది ఇది కొంచెం బాగుంది అదే మరి పెద్దగా అయిపోయింది అదే చూడు.
So just done with shades. So now let's check out earrings. And they have huge collections of earrings in Commercial Street, and it starts at rupees just 20.
No problem. $250 అట అది అమృత 250 అలాగుంది తీసుకుంటావా 250 అలాగా.
So now we have come inside. So this is called as 177 Ibrahim Street, Taskar town. So over here you get everything in a cheaper price. So first let's go inside the footwear store. So over here in Commercial Street they have many footwear shops. So it's better to take footwear only on the street. And the prices are very affordable over here. It starts at rupees 99. So starting from daily wear footwear to party wear, everything you get over here for a cheaper price. And they also have Kolhapuri slippers and shoes over here, and it starts at rupees 300. And you get it in every size, so size is not a problem over here. నీ ఇష్టం తీసుకోవాలంటే తీసుకో.
बड़ा देखो बड़ा मिल जाए कलर
मिल जाएगा ना
తీసుకో ఓ బ్యాగ్ క్లోజా ఓపెనా అది తీసుకో బాగానే ఉంటుంది and they also have heels over here and it starts at rupees 500 and you also get many colors in same footwear. So this is what I like and this was rupees 100 but the size was too big for me. So there's no need to worry about size, you get every size over here. So mom got her footwear over here and they also have daily wear slippers and they are for just rupees 50 and 50 bucks out of a great deal. So I didn't get anything over here, mom got her footwear. I just want to check in the front and see if they have any other collections. So let's go front and check out. And in Commercial Street, every stores have different footwear. So make sure that you don't stick on same store, you keep checking out other places. So now we are on the same street, we're just going a little forward to check out if they have any other collections running over here. So this place has beautiful Kolhapuris. I just love this place but this time they didn't have anything much over here. And all these footwears are just for rupees 300 and they will run for a very long time. So I recommend you guys to come to the store whenever you come to Commercial Street because they have beautiful Kolhapuris over here and all the Kolhapuris are just for rupees 300. And you also get different colors over here. So now in this place you get all daily wear stuff, you get different stuffs over here. You have to check out Commercial Street. So starting from daily wear to footwear, kids wear and many other things. And you also get home decors over here and these duplicate flowers are just for rupees 100. And you also get beautiful handbags, clutches over here, all are of different price and I will definitely upload handbags videos very soon. So mom is just checking out some flowers over here but this guy is charging a lot. Just look at this beautiful red lehenga. He was charging 5,000 for this. So this store had amazing lehengas and the price was also very reasonable when compared to other stores. So now we have come to the main road of Commercial Street. So right now we are going to one small road which is near Anand Sweets. So in that place you get all stuff for a cheaper price. So let's go there. So today we've come on weekday, so Commercial Street is not at all crowded. If you come on weekends, this place is totally rushed. And you also get nice food centers over here. You will find Anand Sweets and Bhagat Ram. So over here you get nice food. So as you all guys know that chicken curry works are very famous now. So over here they have chicken curry saris and lehengas and kurtis. Do check out the place. So in the front towards the right, as you can see, there is an Anand Sweets. So there is a small road, so you have to go inside that. You will get amazing stuff over there. Don't get confused, it is a very simple place. You also get bells, watches and many other stuff over here. Do check out the place. And this place always has sale and they also have beautiful collections. So this is called a super fashion sale. And in Commercial Street there's a place called Centigrade. So in that place you get delicious food. Do check out the place. So this is the gully which I was talking to you about. So in this place you get amazing stuff. So we've come very early today, so they are still opening the stores. So this store has a beautiful collections of footwear. Just look at it, how amazing collections they have. And the owner of this place is very friendly. He will show you whatever you want. And you can bargain a lot over here. He will definitely reduce. So the footwear starting over here is just rupees 99. So they had new collections over here. So this is what are the new collections. So he was just asking us to try it out. And this was for rupees 200. And they also have canvas shoes, and it starts at rupees 300. So this beautiful black flats are just for rupees 100. I just loved it. And if you go further in that road, you will find many footwear shops. So this one you can wear it on any occasions you want. You can wear it on your lehengas, you can wear it on your kurtis or jeans. This looks amazing on everything. And they also have bridal dresses over here, and they are for rupees 5,000. And you also get fabrics in Commercial Street at a cheaper price. But make sure that you don't go to bigger stores when you buy fabrics. You have to go to smaller stores. So just look at this beautiful gown, and this one you can wear it for your reception or any parties. They have beautiful collections over here. You can take fabric from them and you can ask them to stitch it the way you want, and they will definitely do. And the store name is Wildcats. Do visit the store if you have any parties coming soon.
Now
the shopping is done and we are heading back to home. So I hope you all love this vlog. We'll meet you soon on the next vlog. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.